Good morning. So my name is Bikram. So I had been detected with my bilateral hernia on both sides on 4th. So I decided to meet various doctors in Dwarka. So and finally I zeroed on to Dr. Randeep Wadhwan from Manipal Hospital. So I had my surgery on 6th of May, and it was robotics surgery, and I got discharged on 7th. After discharge, I feel absolutely no pain. So there is a pain for 1 day for which I have taken a rest, but there is no pain, and after 1 week I am able to take normal food, I am able to walk, I am able to do all my regular activities. So thankful to the doctor. So he guided me well during this period. So thanks to Dr. Randeep. Yeah.